how to make everyone can see your like list on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your like list on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click these three lines in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find this one, privacy. Click on it and then click who can view my like list and select everyone. And now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.